Welcome to this beautifully remodeled home located in the quiet, historic Gladstone community. It's ideally located near parks, schools, shopping, and with easy access to downtown Portland. You'll also enjoy a fantastic outdoor living space with a pool, hot tub, and sport court. Heading inside, discover a completely renovated interior, including new hardwood floors throughout the main level, luxury vinyl plank flooring, new interior paint, and recessed lighting. The brand new kitchen features all new appliances, a large island with breakfast bar seating, a stylish backsplash, and high-end finishes. It opens to a light and bright dining area with a slider to the deck. The master suite is a peaceful retreat with access to its own deck, overlooking the large backyard. And the master bath is beautifully updated. You'll find 2 additional large bedrooms on this level, plus another remodeled full bath. On the lower level, you can relax in the family room by the fireplace. There's plenty of space for everyone in this home of 5 bedrooms with 3 full baths. The backyard is ready for family fun, entertaining large or small gatherings, enjoying the sport court, and making memories. Other upgrades include an alarm system, multi-camera security, a new 30-year roof, triple-pane windows, a new solar attic fan, and much more. A fantastic remodeled home in a great Gladstone neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Julie Lais with Premier Property Group at 503-701-7023.